Oh, it's matching with my t-shirt. These macaroons, you guys. I don't know what to do with this. I'm just chopping this without knowing what to do with this. आज मैं भूखी मरने वाली हूँ guys. Good morning, you guys. I'm standing in my kitchen. My voice sounds a little weird. Guys, the entire night I was just thinking about the purple food challenge. I did not sleep, trust me when I say that. I was just wondering कि सुबह क्या खाना है, दोपहर को क्या खाना है, रात को क्या खाना है, because a lot of the सामान that I wanted from Big Bazaar I did not get it, so I had to order from Big Basket. और उसमें से सिर्फ आधा सामान अब तक घर पे आया है, आधा सामान 4 बजे आने वाला है. तब तक I don't know how I'm gonna survive. It's okay, Manasi, you can do this. If you know me, you know that I'm very simple. I just eat like toast and chai every morning. Like I don't have like a heavy fancy breakfast. I don't have smoothie or fruits or all of that. I know you're supposed to have all of that, but yeah, that's just how I am. So for breakfast we have this smoothie which is the blueberry flavor by Epigamia. And the problem is that we just have this bottle of smoothie for the entire day, like 24 hours. So बहुत ऐसे बचा के पीना पड़ेगा. I have never had like smoothies from this brand, so smells good and the color is so pretty. It's a pretty lavender shade. So look at this color, you guys. So pretty. So cheers. I'm just gonna have this much. It tastes like lassi. And I got this. This is the only thing I found in the mall. They look black but they are not. Under se they are purple. I mean, I don't have to explain that. So I'm just gonna have a couple of these. And I don't know, half glass bhi nahi hai ye. Quarter glass. 4 घूंट है ये. Look at this. Look at these marks. Anyway, so yeah. I'll catch you guys once I look a little presentable. Okay, so I've taken a bath and I have worn a nice purple t-shirt just to match the vibe of the video. So I am editing the vlog which is already up by the time you watch this video. Let me just fix you guys up. I have a second channel which is called More Mau, which is meant for daily vlogs. A lot of people still don't know, so this is how it looks like, and if you are interested, go give it a watch. The vlog which I'm talking about is posted over there already by the time you watch this video. So in this vlog you can clearly see my frustration because I didn't find any purple colored food in Big Bazaar. So yeah, you should definitely go and watch this video. Guys, I don't know why I just underestimated my book, because there have been days when I have not had food for 4 hours straight. और आज जब फूड चैलेंज करना है तभी भूख लगनी है. मतलब मैं पानी पे सर्वाइव कर रही हूँ बिकॉज घर पे फ्रूट्स भी खत्म हो चुके हैं. तो अभी मॉम हैज़ गॉन डाउन, सो आई कॉल्ड हर, टोल्ड हर टू गेट सम फ्रूट्स because I'm planning to make like a fruit salad thing. This thing is काफी sour because the blueberries are also sour, and but not complaining. I'm happy because almost 2 बज गए और मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया था. So because I have had this, I feel full. I won't be hungry for another 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Guys, I feel I've done a mistake by taking this color. I have this vegetable. I don't know what is this called. My mom got this. So I don't know what to do with this. I'm just chopping this without knowing what to do with this. I have honestly no clue what I'm doing. I've just popped the sabzi in water, and this is the, I don't know what this is, crushed blueberries. इस पे मैंने मैगी डाल दी अभी. It looks pink. so I don't know. I hope it looks purple afterwards. So luckily it has started looking purple dheere dheere, as you guys can see. Now I'm worried if I should put the masala or not, or I should just eat like this. It was an epic fail, you guys. Maggi looks yellow and I can't eat it, so I have to throw this away. I am about to cry, you guys. I'm so hungry. My head is throbbing. But we are making another attempt of making pancakes. So I have the mixture here and I'm thinking to put crushed blueberries inside this along with milk, and let's see how it turns out. पूरा पैनकेक चिपक गया है and this is how it looks like. पूरा पर्पल कलर भी निकल गया, but in my defense it looked purple when I was cooking it, so I'm gonna have it. पूरा कच्चा है. आज मैं भूखी मरने वाली हूँ guys. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. I did not eat anything. मतलब proper meal हुआ ही नहीं है, ना lunch हुआ ना कुछ हुआ, breakfast हुआ. But the good news is that the things that I had ordered from Big Basket have come. So I think the second half is gonna be better. Let's not jinx it. I'm gonna have this juice. This is from Paper Boat and this is in the flavor jamun. Obviously, it has to be purple. So it's a very nice, pretty purple shade. It smells really bad, like really raw, and it does not have any sugar. It's written it's 0 sugar. I don't know how it's gonna taste. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's okay. I can drink this. One thing I have realized is that if you are sad, sleep. If something's wrong, sleep. If you're hungry, sleep. That's what I did. I was just like trying to sleep over it, like sleep over my hunger. God, I feel so bad about people who like don't get food every day. Hi guys, so it's dinner time. It's almost 8 o'clock. I have to see कि खाने को रात को भी मिलने वाला है कि नहीं. So I've got the cabbage, purple cabbage, and look at the color. Look at this, you guys. This is so pretty. So मेरा plan ये है that I'm gonna make salad, like coleslaw maybe. I saw a recipe which is very easy. I just have to add the sauce like mayonnaise and everything. I'm just gonna chop the cabbage and then add the क्या बोलते हैं ड्रेसिंग. यार इतना खाना बना के ना मेरा खाने से मन उठ चुका है. सो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गोना हैव लाइक अ लॉट. दैट जामुन वाला टेस्ट इज स्टिल देयर इन माई माउथ. It's not bad. It's my fault that I added a lot of lemon juice. इसके लिए वो खट्टा हो गया. But otherwise it's edible. And I anyway like salads. Like even if I don't eat green vegetables, I do eat salad. Like I love eating tomatoes and carrots and beet, cabbage and all of that. So I think I'm not gonna be hungry for another 2.5 hours. Oh, it's matching with my t-shirt. I'm having the juice जो हमने सुबह पिया था. Cheers. My phone's purple, my t-shirt's purple, my juice is purple. वहाँ पे purple trunks हैं by Simba Lifestyle. Can you hear that? 11:20 and I'm honestly not hungry, but मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से ये दो चीज़ें मंगाई हुई है, so शो ऑफ करना तो बनता है. So we have purple macaroons. Oh my god, look at them, just look at them. And we have purple chips as well. But before that, it's skincare time because I just took a bath. I think by now you guys know me that whenever I come at this time, I have taken a bath and I'm gonna do my skincare. So I'm gonna use this vitamin C toner by Mama Earth. I think I don't have to speak much about this product because I've been raving about this product since a very long time. So it has vitamin C and cucumber, which is meant for pore tightening, and I do see like a major difference when I use this toner. It gives the appearance of smaller looking pores, which is what everybody needs. And then I'm gonna use this new product that they have recently launched. This is the vitamin C face milk, which sounds really interesting. Let's see how it looks like. So okay, so it has a very runny consistency. I hope you guys can see. And it smells different. I thought it will smell like the vitamin C serum, but that's not what it smells like. This has vitamin C, and yes, exactly, that's what I was wondering, that it has a certain scent. It has peach, so it smells like peaches definitely. And it is meant for long-lasting moisturization. It's a very fresh and lightweight formula. It just got absorbed in my skin, as you guys can see. And it's also written that you can use this under makeup, so that's a win-win. Oh my god, look at the glow, you guys. So this is how my skin looks like after the skincare. But this is like the minimalistic skincare routine you guys can have if you are interested in these products. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. I also have a coupon code which will work only on their website called Manasi2020. If you want to buy from Nykaa and Amazon, then these products are also available over there. And now comes the interesting part. So look at these macaroons, you guys. And then I have these sweet potato chips. Let me just show you. These are the chips. It's by the brand called as To Be Honest Crunchies Purple Sweet Potato Chips. Look at the color. It's so pretty, and I have already opened it. Okay, so when it came, I was like, chalo, let's taste it, because I was anyway hungry. Pura din kuch khaya nahi hai. It tastes good when you eat it first, but it leaves a very weird aftertaste. Like, it has some pani puri flavor for sure. Yeah, it's written with pani puri masala, so it has a very bad aftertaste, so do not try these. So I'm just gonna top it up with this because why not. मुझे खाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है, ना ही मुझे भूख है, but I want to end this video ASAP because tomorrow, like, I have some family thing, so I have to get up early, and I know that I am gonna sleep very soon because I'm really tired. I'm not gonna do any time pass. I'm straight up gonna sleep. You guys can clearly see how tired I am. These are the blueberry flavor. I also have a lavender one which look exactly the same. The filling is different, but they taste horrible. These are better. Hey you guys, I totally forgot to film the outro because as soon as I woke up the next morning, there was some family thing, as I told you guys, so I totally forgot. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Honestly, I don't know how I did in this challenge, and I did not enjoy doing this challenge. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna do a food challenge for a very long time now, because purple is a very difficult color, even though I love that color. But it's not like black or white, which is a straight up color. There are a lot of shades, and there's a very thin line between pink and purple. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and अगर इधर तक देख लिया वीडियो तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना because it's free, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy.